Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to get started with my first video on the series of Java Bukkit coding. So basically, I will be teaching you how to code plugins, how to debug them, and I will be teaching you how to make really complex mini games. Throughout this series, I will be teaching you guys how to make beginner to intermediate plugins. It is not too hard, and I will be bringing you some of the most fascinating series of coding. I hope that you guys learn a lot from this series, and don't forget to leave a like down below and comment on what ideas I should, or give me some ideas on what I should code for you guys and teach you guys how to do. So I will most likely reply within a day. Okay. Firstly, make sure you have all this code done. Secondly, go to your properties, libraries, and make sure your craftbucket.jar is imported. And if you don't know how to do it, just go to your server folder and click craftbucket.jar, double click that, and then it will automatically send up to your library section. Go ahead and press OK on that. Okay, so today we'll basically be making a tank plugin, which will give you fake op, or it will fake join. So like you could fake op someone when they say, "Hey, I'm from Planet Minecraft. Come on, give me op because I'm very special. I'm reviewing servers and I really want to know how to help you guys out. So please give me op," or "Oh my gosh, this guy just joined the game." Not just joined the game, but I'll show you guys later in the episode. So make sure to stay tuned. Okay. Firstly, just make sure you have extended your Java plugin, and this is just saying what it will say in your console when the Java plugin is enabled. It will just say prank v. Let's just go ahead and do prank has been enabled. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with public boolean on command. So I'll be making the command sender, or I'll be making the command send to the plugins. Then command cmd. I'll tell you in a second. I just gotta get this done. Then I'll go string command label, and then string, and then args. Go ahead and make sure you have imported that by doing Command Shift O. Make sure it's org.bucket.command.command, not org.bit material. Sorry. Okay, so basically what this is saying is these are the commands we're going to use in the code which we will be doing. So command will be known as cmd. Command sender, which will send it to the your code to the command, will be called sender, and then the command label. String the command label. Okay, then string args. Okay, we have done very well so far. So let's go ahead and get started with. Let's go ahead and start with the fake op. So cmd dot get name. So we're making sure to get the name dot equals ignore case, and let's make it called fake op. And then we'll go ahead and we'll go if it reaches the length of the length equals 0. So this is basically just saying if someone is not if you haven't specified a name in the plugin, it will be asking please specify a name. So I will go ahead and do it right here. Send message, and then chat color.red, or you could do it another way, but I really like to do it this way. And then let's go ahead plus please specify a player. So basically this is saying if you do /fake op and then you don't do the name in its plugin or other name, it will say, hey, please specify a player who is in game, or you could do anyone. Okay, and then we'll just go ahead and return that true. Okay, that was quite easy. Now we could go player targets. So we'll be targeting the player, as you could probably see. Buckets.getServer.getPlayer, and then let's go make it arg0 as what was it? So it's saying arg_length is 0, so we're gonna make it set as 0 so we can actually execute the command. Okay, and then we could go if target equals no. Yeah, let's do that. Command Shift O to import the player, and then we could just go send message again, then chat color dot red plus we could not find the player. Okay, plus let's go ahead and go args and 0 plus this will just be the specified name in the player. So if we execute a name, for example, someone who is not in game, it will say we could not find this player. So we're just basically setting the args towards the plugin. Okay, now let's go ahead and return that true. Okay guys, we're on a roll. Good job. Now let's go ahead and let's go ahead and execute the command if the player is in game. So we could go ahead, go target dot send message chat color dot yellow plus you are the message, which will be now up. Let's make this exclamation mark, because that is I don't know if it's uppercase or lowercase, but I'm going to keep it at lowercase this video. And then we'll make it send message chat color dot green. That would be awesome. And then we'll go success. So when it says when you implement the command, which is /fake up and the player name, it will say you are now up, and under that success. So it will show you that it will show the player who you did the /fake op command to that he is up, but in reality he is not up. So we have basically just done our commands for the plugin. Maybe if I go ahead and do return true, maybe that will fix it up. There we go. Command Z. I'm just gonna leave that. Okay, now we're just going to do the fake join name. Okay, so we'll go if cmd.getName dot equals ignore case, so the same thing as up here, and let's make it fake join. Okay, then we'll go if args dot length equals 0. We're doing the same thing as up here, as you can probably see. So if args dot length, then we'll go sender dot send message chat color dot red plus please specify a name exclamation mark. Why does it always do that? Dot red. Okay, let's go ahead and return that true. Oh, wait a second, I'm doing a recording. Sorry about that, guys. That's my brother. Let's go ahead and go bukkit.getServer.broadcast message chat color dot yellow plus args 0 plus yeah, let's go join the game. So this is basically saying if you do /fake join and the player name, it will broadcast it to the messaging systems as this player had joined the game. Okay, so it's not the worst it could be. Let's go ahead and actually make the dots. We do not need this, so let's go ahead and let's go ahead bukkit.broadcast. Let's go message. Change that from broadcast to broadcast message, because it will not authorize to the commands. So to remove this error, all we have to do is return true to the command. Okay guys, so we've basically done our code for the plugin. So all we have to do now is the plugin.yml. So let's go ahead, go search up plugin.yml, and then command Q on that, slide that over to our screen, and nothing too spicy on this, just really the name Frank, version 1.0, main Frank. So this is basically, so whatever you name it, if you name it Frank, That is what it is, and that is the core to what this plugin.yml is going to execute to. Then go description of the plugin. Let's go simple prank plugin. Let's make it easy for the console to read. Okay, now we just do the commands which are set at it. Then which is fake op is number 1. Then it's usage / command, because that is what we are doing. And the description of this command would be fake op. Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and do fake join usage / command and description. 1, 2. Description for that would be fake join. Okay, so we've done our whole plugin. Don't worry about that. It doesn't really matter, because as long as you have it correct here, fake op and fake join, make sure there's no capitals where should not be. So now we have done our whole entire plugin. Let's go ahead and export that to our plugin folder. I will browse that to my folder, which will be under server A. So if I go to server A in my plugins folder and click on plugins, I will go ahead and press save on that. Finish. Okay, don't worry about that. Command hide, command hide, command hide. Okay, now all we have to really do is open our server. But firstly, we have to make sure it works. So all you have to do here, guys, is open your Minecraft up. And as I said before, you could have just done localhost or whatever you wanted to do. It doesn't really matter to me. Okay, let's see if fake op is up here. Is it in this plugins folder? Untitled.jar. Okay, that's fine. Multiplayer direct connect. Let's go ahead and join that. /pl for plugins. PL. Prank. There we go. Prank is right there. So all we have to do now is / prank, so we could discuss what it is. So if we do /fake join, it will say please specify a name as it's set in the code. And if we do /fake join, let's go ahead and do notch. Fake join, and it says notch join the game, but we do not want it as one word, so we're just going to go to our prank.java and then fake join and notch join the game. Let's do ahead, save. Let's go ahead and export that again. Export, yep. Reload. Okay, /fake join notch. There we go, notch joined the game. And if we do /fake op, please specify a player. And let's go /fake op, someone who's in game, which is only me. Then code in dead. You are now op, success. So it does look like you are op. And I think I'm just going to wind up the video now. Again, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave comments down below on what ideas on what I should do in the future episodes. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like down below. Thank you for watching and stay golden, bros. There we go, Dev.